Yes, students, good morning, and I hope you all are well at home. This is Partnership Fundamentals. That was our second chapter of the book. And yesterday we discussed the practical questions from this chapter. Now we are going to pick our 10th illustration relating to journal entries, right? Let's see 10th illustration. Page number of my book is 2.18, right? 2.18. Example number 10. X and Y started business with capital of rupees 5 lakh. As per the partnership deed, both X and Y are to get monthly salary 10,000 each. It means you need to multiply it with 12 because it is your monthly salary, right? So it will be 1,20,000. Interest on capital दोनों का 50,000 है. Interest on drawing दोनों का दे रखा है 3,000 and 5,000 respectively. But बैड लक क्या है कि फर्म को लॉस हुआ है. जब फर्म को लॉस हुआ है तो वी विल नॉट बी मेकिंग एनी चार्ज. We will not be making any appropriation. So hereby salary, you will not be passing any entry. Hereby interest on capital, that is also an appropriation. You will not be passing any entry, and you will be writing a note for the examiner. Put the star like this and write a note. As here is a loss, so no appropriation can be made. कितना इजी हो गया हमारे लिए क्वेश्चन. अदरवाइज मैंने सैलरीज की 2 एंट्रीज पास करनी थी. One for making it due and other for transfer it. और फिर मैंने इंटरेस्ट ऑन कैपिटल की 2 एंट्रीज पास करनी थी. But these are the appropriations we can't make appropriation. So no appropriation can be made. So no appropriation can be made in this case. ये नोट लिख के आना. Then you will be passing the journal entries, right? अब journal entry में हमारे पास interest on drawing क्या है? वो income है. That too we will charge, right? Or we are having loss. That loss we will transfer. क्योंकि income है तो appropriation में loss तो जाएगा भाई. Entry क्या बनेगी? First entry with format profit and loss appropriation account debited to. This is appropriation by APP. Appropriation to profit and loss account. So this loss we are transferring from P&L account to P&L appropriation account, right? Then we are charging interest on drawing, being loss transferred from profit and loss account. That's it. कहाँ पे ट्रांसफर हुआ है वो हमें एंट्री से पता चल रहा है. So let the narration be brief. Interest on drawing is our income. So being an income, it is to be credited. क्या एंट्री आएगी? Interest on drawing की क्या एंट्री होगी? A's capital account debited. We have two partners. X capital account debited. Y's capital account debited to interest on drawing. X capital account debited. पहले चार्ज करेंगे भाई. To interest on drawing. So that was given in your question 3,000 and 5,000. So from first partner I am checking or charging 3,000. From second we are charging 5,000. So we have income of rupees 8,000, right? Now this 8,000 I will be transferring to my P&L appropriation account. See the third entry here. Interest on drawing इस entry में क्या हुआ है? Credit. In the next entry I will be debiting it. Interest on drawings account debited to P&L appropriation account. That is 8,000. So you have in the question loss of rupees 2 lakh. Okay, that is to be shown on the debit side of P&L appropriation account. This is to be shown on the credit side of P&L appropriation account. So we have left with the loss 1,92,000. So that 1,92,000 we will be dividing equally. Why? Because profit sharing ratio is not giving me in the question. So अगली entry क्या आएगी? X capital debited, Y's capital debited to P&L appropriation account. So 1,92,000, 96,000 each. Being loss divided between the partners equally because profit sharing ratio was not given in the question. Now the time has come when I have to prepare ledger account of P&L appropriation account. Let's see. ये सारी हमने oral calculation कर ली थी. This is your profit and loss appropriation account. Right. So on this side I will be writing loss क्योंकि net profit अगर मैं उधर लिखती हूँ तो loss मैं इधर लिखूंगी. By P&L account. In bracket you can write net loss to tell the examiner we are posting the loss over here. So that was 2 lakh, right? Introduction drawing कितना था भाई? By introduction drawing. Put hyphen. This is for X, this is for Y. Right? X से charge किया 3000. Y से charge किया 5000. That's why loss is there. By loss to be transferred to 1,92,000. Write the total of both the sides 2 lakh. और loss को जब transfer करना है तो यहाँ पे लिख देना X capital 96,000, Y's capital 96,000. The way your book is right. So this was the way, right? This was the simplest case when we are not making any appropriation, right? अब अगला देख और लॉस था क्योंकि लॉस था इसलिए एप्रोप्रिएशन नहीं बना रहे. अब अगला केस क्या है? अगली इलस्ट्रेशन करने से पहले जरा केस का नाम सुनिएगा. When the appropriations are more than the available profit, I will be making my own imaginary example. Then I will be picking the back exercise question directly, right? Illustration you can see yourself. See the case when appropriations are greater than, this is a sign of greater of your maths, greater than available profit, right? For example, again I am assuming we have two partners, their profit sharing ratio is this, right? A को इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल देना है मैंने 80,000, B को इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल देना है मैंने 40,000. इट मींस कि एप्रोप्रिएशंस का टोटल मेरे पास क्वेश्चन में 120 है. दिस इज इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल आई एम राइटिंग. A का इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल फॉर एग्जांपल 80,000 है, B का इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल फॉर एग्जांपल 40,000 है. I got the grand total of your interest and capital here. Then I see available profit is only 40,000. There's a huge gap. Appropriations total is this encircled amount and the available profit is here, that is 40,000. 80,000 का गैप है भाई, तो हम इसको लॉस में कन्वर्ट नहीं कर सकते. तो हमने रूल बना दिया जब कभी भी appropriations available profit से ज्यादा है, then available profit is to be divided in the ratio of appropriations. Profit sharing ratio 3:2 हम appropriations की रेशियो में से डिवाइड करेंगे. appropriation की रेशियो क्या है? 2:1. So let it be 30 क्योंकि कैंसिल नहीं होना ना. Let it be 30. तो 30,000 को मैं 2/3 and 1/3 में डिवाइड करूंगी. इसको मिल जाएगा 20,000, इसको मिलेगा 10,000. इसने A ने फर्म से लेना था 80, मिला कितना? सिर्फ 20,000. बैठे बैठा इसको 60,000 का लॉस है, but that loss I will never be showing in my P&L appropriation account. क्योंकि P&L appropriation में appropriations can't exceed the available profit. हाँ, if loss is there, we will definitely be dividing it. But that loss is directly coming from P&L account. Like in P&L appropriation account, we will never write loss after making appropriation. So hereby my second partner will just be getting 10,000. बैठे बैठा इसको भी 30,000 का लॉस है क्योंकि मिलना 40 था, मिला सिर्फ 10. And nowhere I used their profit sharing ratio. I distributed the available profit in the ratio of appropriations. Appropriations की ratio क्या है? 80,000 is to 40,000. 8 is to 4. ठीक है, that will be 4:2 और reduce कर दीजिए 2:1. ठीक है. So this case you have to feed in your mind. Most of the time examiner in Viva asked it. Most of the time he frames a question related to this in your paper in the form of MCQ, in the form of 3 mark or 4 mark question. So let's see the back exercise question related to it. Come at the back exercise questions. When the appropriations are more than the available profit, right? Has he made a separate case? He should. So appropriations का अलग से नहीं बनाया, अलग से कोई बात नहीं है भाई. ट्वेंटी-फिफ्थ देखिए जरा. 25th question from the back exercise. See that page number 2.86. Question number 25th from your back exercise. Let's see that. 25th question from the back exercise. Everybody will open the page number 2.86. Question number 25th. Page number 2.86. Let's read the statement. On 1st April 2013, Jay and Vijay, I have two partners, Jay and Vijay. 1st April को ही बिजनेस स्टार्ट किया है 2013. किस चीज का बिजनेस है? Entered into partnership for supplying laboratory equipment to the government schools situated in remote and backward areas. They contributed, their capitals are 80,000 and 50,000. That is their cap. Cap means capital. Profit sharing ratio is 3:2. So this is their profit sharing ratio. Deed provided in first term capital 9% देना है, दे देते हैं. 7,200 इसको मिलेगा, 4,500 इसको मिलेगा. जैसे ही मैंने appropriations का टोटल किया, that comes to me 11,700. Then I see मेरे पास available profit सिर्फ 7,800. तो आपको नहीं लगता कि ये वही बन गया? When the appropriations are greater than your available profit, and the available profit in this case is 7,800. So what to do here? We have to find out the ratio of your appropriation. This available profit, I will not be divided in this ratio. I will be calculating this ratio of my appropriation 72:45. 9 के table पे. 9 8s are 9 5s are 8:5. So this 78 I will be dividing 8 by 30 and 5 by 30. Right? 36 पे चला जाता भाई. 600 and 4,800. 6 पे चला जाएगा 3,000. So your first partner out of 7,200 is getting 4,800. बैठे बिठाए इसको 2400 का लॉस है. ठीक है. Your second partner was supposed to get 4,500 as interest, but that person is getting 3,000. Means कि बैठे बिठाए उसको कितने का लॉस है? 1,500 का. But that loss we are not showing in our P&L appropriation account. That is only the amount checking. We are just comparing what should they get and what they are actually getting. So let's check. Yes, in first term capital. Show your calculation. This is the calculation. कहता P&L appropriation account भी बनाओ. Let's prepare P&L appropriation account. See the P&L appropriation account how I will be winding up. और नीचे लिख के आना है note as the. ये सारी calculation से पहले उसको बता के आना है as the appropriations are more than the available profit. So available profit we are going to divide not in the ratio of profit sharing, rather we are dividing it in the ratio of their appropriations, right? So how this is to be shown in the account? This is profit and loss appropriation account. By net profit brought down or by P&L account, in bracket you can write net profit. By net profit brought down 7,800. बस यहाँ सारा कुछ वर्किंग नोट्स में दिखा चुके हैं. यहाँ पे सिर्फ क्या लिखना है? टू प्रॉफिट भी नहीं लिखना. टू इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल. क्योंकि इंटरेस्ट एंड कैपिटल दे रहे हैं हम लोग जय और विजय को. दिस इज जय, दिस इज विजय. So Jay is going to get 4,800. Vijay is going to get 3,000. No profit, no loss. Whole of the amount we divide. दोनों साइड का टोटल 7,800 लिख दीजिए. Till now, any doubt, any confusion to any one of you, you may ask. You can ask your queries. कोई भी doubt है, you can ask. Yes, students, already I told you in the beginning of the chapter only that we have two types of capital methods. One is fixed capital method. Another is fluctuating capital method. Under fixed capital method, we prepare two types of accounts. One is partners capital account, which is going to remain same, but they will get changed only in two circumstances that are already discussed with you. When additional capital is introduced, जब वो नई capital लेके आएगा, then only it will get inflated. And when he withdraws out of capital, जब वो अपनी ही capital को withdraw कर लेता है, पूरे chapter में we will be reading two types of drawings. One is withdrawal of capital and other is withdrawal out of profit. So if nothing is mentioned in the question, we will always assume that the partners are withdrawing out of profit. If it will be withdrawal of the capital, he specifically will be mentioning it, right? So अब entry होगी capital account debited to cash, and when he will be bringing his capital, more capital into the business, then entry we will pass cash account debited to capital. It means कि ये दो ऐसी entries हैं, अगर capitals fixed भी है तो भी ये capital account में ही आएंगी. One is additional capital introduced, and second is when withdrawal from capital as well. ठीक है. And second account we will be preparing current account, very very important accounts. बाकी सारी interest current account की help से pass होंगी. That can be related to interest, that can be related to salary. Let me write it for you. That can be interest and drawings. So what entry at that time we will be passing? Generally हम entry क्या pass करते हैं? Interest on capital account debited to partners capital account. But in this case we will be writing the entry interest on capital account debited to partners current account. Similarly for salary we will be passing the entry usually हम क्या pass करते हैं? Salary account debited to partners capital account. But in this case we will be passing the entry salary account debited to partners current account. Because capital account he himself says is not to be changed. जितना उनका ओपनिंग बैलेंस है उतना ही क्लोजिंग रहेगा. आपने इसमें कोई भी प्लस और माइनस नहीं करना except to exceptional cases. This question can also be asked in the paper, that can also be asked in the MCQ, that can be asked by examiner in your viva, that even if the capitals are supposed to be fixed, tell me few entries which will have an influence on the fixed capital, and that are only two entries. One is when additional capital is being introduced and another is when the capital is being withdrawn by the partner. Partner अपनी ही capital में से जब drawing करता है तो capital will get reduced, right? So let me tell you how the capital accounts are being prepared, how the current accounts are being prepared. But before that we have the second method, that is fluctuating capital method. Fluctuating नाम से पता चलता है. It is a normal case. All the interests related to appropriations are to be transferred to this capital only. So here we will just be preparing capital accounts. Only capital accounts are being prepared. No need to prepare current accounts. Current accounts are only to be opened when the capitals are fixed, right? And hereby only capital accounts are to be prepared. To be prepared. This is the way, right? Any doubt to anyone? Do you want to ask anything? Is there any confusion to any one of you? You may ask. So every time, students, we will be preparing the capital accounts in a combined way. I am preparing the capital accounts when the capitals are fixed. I am assuming date is not there, so I am just leaving the date column. Otherwise, you can add up the date column. I am assuming again there are two partners. This is debit. Particulars, again I will be taking few names from your class. So this is Akriti's capital account. This is Suhani's capital account. जो सीक्वेंस इधर पार्टनर्स का लिखा है वही उधर लिखेंगे. अगर यहाँ पे पहला कॉलम मैंने आकृति का लिया है तो वहां पे भी आकृति का होगा. जैसे कैश बुक में क्या करते थे डबल कॉलम में, अगर पहले इधर कैश का होता था तो क्रेडिट साइड पे भी पहला कैश का ही कॉलम रहता था, राइट? सो दिस वाज पार्टिकुलर्स. Again, this is Akriti's capital account this time out, or this is Suhani's capital account, and here we run our credit side, right? So capital accounts are always being started with the opening balance, or most of the time in the question यहाँ से start करता था. On 1st April they invested this much capital. जितने भी question अभी तक हमने discuss करे हैं या illustrations करी हैं, thereby he was writing in the first line their capital. So that is their opening capital. We will be starting it by writing opening capital. By balance brought down, whatever balance he will be writing, we will be writing in front of that. Then we have all the entries relating to appropriations. ध्यान से सुनना, सारी appropriations हमारी partners की capital account में आएंगी. Why? Because appropriations का मतलब है partners को हम कुछ दे रहे हैं. So anything the partners get from the firm, that will be adding to their capital. So that's why we will be writing it on their credit side. कुछ भी partner से charge करना है तो उनकी कैपिटल की डेबिट साइड में चार्ज करते हैं. So I am assuming सारी appropriations दे रखी है. I will be writing by interest on capital, or I can write by P&L appropriation account, and in bracket I can write interest on capital. ठीक है, तो दोनों ही तरीके ठीक है यहाँ पे. Then by salary, मान लो आकृति को सैलरी मिली है, she is working partner. सुहानी को नहीं मिली, she is non working partner. So I am leaving it blank. यहाँ पे they are withdrawing. ठीक है, 2 drawings लिख दीजिए. 2 drawings चाहे कैश में ब्रैकेट में लिख दीजिए और 2 कैश लिख दीजिए. They are withdrawing from their capital, both of them. अगर ड्राइंग्स इस साइड पे आता है तो इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग्स भी इसी साइड पे आता है भाई, क्योंकि वो उनकी कैपिटल को माइनस करता है इंटरेस्ट ऑन ड्राइंग. then you will be getting the total of your credit side. In most of the cases, your credit side will be more, right? Then you will be finding the balancing figure to balance carried out. एंड में अगले महीने की फर्स्ट डेट को यही बैलेंस आपके ब्रॉट डाउन बैलेंस भी बनेंगे. Then you will be writing by balance brought. Any doubt about the preparation of this account you may ask. यहाँ तक आपका account balance हो जाएगा. Then you will be writing the opening balance, right? So this is the way. If the capitals are fixed, then again we will be preparing capital account. लेकिन तब ये capital account में सारी एंट्रीज नहीं आएंगी. तब क्या क्या आएगा? ना ड्राइंग, आई एम अज्यूमिंग ड्राइंग आउट ऑफ प्रॉफिट दे रखा है, ना सैलरी इधर आएगा, ना इन पर्सन कैपिटल इधर आएगा. मान लो वर्षन में एडिशनल कैपिटल इंट्रोड्यूस दे रखी है तो हम सिर्फ वही लिखेंगे, क्योंकि अगर कैपिटल फिक्स्ड है तो जितना उनका ओपनिंग बैलेंस है उतना ही क्लोजिंग रहना है. लेकिन अगर क्वेश्चन में उन दो एक्सेप्शनल केसेस में से कोई एक केस दे रखा है तो दैट केस वी विल बी राइटिंग आई एम अज्यूमिंग additional capital introduced है तो by cash, then only Akriti has introduced a capital, Suhani has not introduced anything, right? So this same will be your closing balance. Suhani का तो जो opening है वही closing रहेगा, आकृति का add हो जाएगा opening में जितना उसने additional capital introduce किया. So this thing you have to keep in your mind. All the entries are related to your appropriations, right? That are to be transferred to the current account, not to the capital account. Clear? Any doubt till now to anyone you may ask. My chat box is open to you. You may raise your hand. I will be unmuting you. Then you can ask your queries, right?